Well, hello, welcome to my new video. My name is Sorce and today I'm going to show you how I built this wooden stool. Because this is YouTube and first minute is the most important, this is the final product. If you like the design and you want to see how I build it, you can watch the video until the end. I used recycled materials, so nothing of this material is new. During the build I will not commenting anymore, but you will hear nice music. I have also a music channel. If you like the music, you can visit the channel and subscribe there also. I hope for the best comments from you. Please enjoy the video and have a nice day. Bye! So this is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching it until the end. If you like the content, please leave a comment, good or bad, anything goes. Also, you can leave a subscription if you like to see other my videos. Thank you once again, have a nice day and goodbye.